What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. XOXO Shiba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. So in today's video, I'm doing a virgin hair wig review. This wig was sent to me by Myshinywigs, and they sent it to me in this bag. I never actually do the unboxing in my virgin hair videos, so I'm trying to give y'all a little more of that too. I usually get straight to it with the the styling and then putting it on. But I just decided to unbox this one this time. So this is from Myshinywigs. They reached out to me on Instagram to send me this unit. And it is a 12-inch curly lace frontal unit. So let's take an initial look here. So it has a light brown lace, which I don't know yet till I put it on. It could go with my skin tone fine. I might need to be darkened a little. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to spray tan the lace anyway because I don't have time to fully bleach the knots and all that. But actually, is it pre-bleached? Because it looked kind of bleak. It doesn't tell me yes or no from the packaging, but I think these are pre-bleached knots. So I guess I won't have to do any tinting. It also comes with an adjustable band in it as well as your combs. And it looks like it's detachable. That's nice. Wow, okay. Yeah, these this band here is detachable. You can take it out if you want to. I ain't gonna do all that because I want it in there. But you can take it out if you want it. It does have a comb in the middle. I'm probably gonna take that out. And the combs on the sides and also in the back. It's got a nice wide comb back there. And it still has adjustable straps on the side. So a lot of security with this unit. I'm not getting a weird scent or anything from this unit. It just smells like hair, so that's bomb. We can probably do a glueless install with this since it's got the band in it. So this is definitely already looking like an easy to wear lace frontal unit. It also looks like it is pre-plucked as well. Look at that hairline. Look at it. It's got some dips and grooves in it, and it is thin. I don't think I'm really gonna have to pluck this at all. I probably will still pluck a little bit because you know me, I like to pluck. But it doesn't look like you need to pluck a lot. So that's wow. This is a really convenient wig. Okay, so we're actually ready to apply this wig. I don't need to do no prep work. Wow. And it does come pre-parted already a little bit too. It looks like it's on the side part. I didn't really give y'all a good view of the cap. That's the lace, the cap. Ooh, this is short. This is gonna be another one of them natural units. And the lace is looking right on tone for me. So I don't think I'm gonna need to darken it. Wow. Okay. Also, I don't see the need to pluck either. It's got dips, the grooves, like I was suspecting. It's thin enough. All right now. I am gonna put just a little bit off this side though, because it's a bit close to my eyebrow. I just want a little bit of this off. It's a little close to the eyebrow. So I'm thinking, I'm going to do a freeze spray install and then go from there. So, I'm going to just do the real speed up, let y'all see how I do this process, and then we'll come back and get into the rest of my thoughts on this unit. does shed just a tad. It doesn't really give me any issues with tangling. Like, you can see my hands are just running through it. But I did get a few issues with shedding. It wasn't major, but it was there. I really love how this unit is just pretty much ready to go. Like, all you have to do is install however you're going to install and go. The cap size is great. It really fits my head. You know, my edges, they're still out a little bit, but I expect that with, you know, most wigs, so that's not new to me. But as far as like the feel, it's not like tight on my head or anything like that. So no headaches with this one. I didn't pluck a thing off of this unit. And you know, I like to pluck my units. I didn't have to do anything with this unit. So that was awesome that it already like really does come pre-plucked, not just like a little tweezing here and there. It's pre-plucked. And with these knots like being pre-bleached, like it's just ready to go. Definitely great for beginners because you don't have to do all that extra work that those of us who are used to it, you know, will do to make our wigs look natural. You can literally just take out the package and it's gonna look how you want it to look. Only thing extra I did was add baby hair. And I did off camera use my hot comb to kind of position my part and everything, just for a little more oomph. You actually didn't even have to do that. You could have gotten away with just like parting the hair and going. But I did want to just, you know, do my little added touches. But that's about it. It did not take me long to style this unit at all. Y'all let my sister see this unit on me. She thought it was my hair. And she knows I do wigs, and she still thought it was my hair. So, you know, this is a great unit if you want like a very natural look. The details for this unit is that it's a 13x6 frontal, so the parting goes pretty far back. I actually curved my part to get it to sit the way I have it, but yeah, you can go straight back. It's pretty far back. Some of the details for this unit you would like to know are that it's a 13x6 frontal, light brown lace, 12 inches is what I have. It does come in the natural dark brown color, and it is 250% density. So you can see this is super full, which I like on this unit. Usually you know, bobs and short wigs, they don't really have like huge amounts of density. But this one, like, it looks really good at 250%. Comment shout out in this video goes to Arnita Vonzel 4. Thank you so much for commenting and supporting my channel and rocking with me. It does not go unnoticed. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate all of y'all so much. If y'all want to pick up this unit, I will link down in the description box all of the details to purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.